हेलो किड्स, आज हम सीखेंगे अल्फाबेट्स। लेट्स स्टार्ट। पिंक कलर A for ant, A for ant. Blue color B for bat, B for bat. Black color C for cow, C for cow. Green color D for dot, D for dot. Brown color E for egg, E for egg. Yellow color F for frog, F for frog. Sky blue color G for girl, G for girl. Purple color H for horse, H for horse. Orange color I for ink, I for ink. Red color J for jug, J for jug. Green color K for king, K for king. Peach color L for lion, L for lion. Pink color M for mother, M for mother. Orange color N for nose, N for nose. Blue color O for octopus, O for octopus. Red color P for peacock, P for peacock. Yellow color yellow color. Q for quilt. Q for quilt. Green color. Green color. R for rat. R for rat. Peach color. Peach color. S for sunflower. S for sunflower. Black color. Black color. T for TV. T for TV. Green color. Green color. U for unicorn. U for unicorn. Brown color. Brown color. V for van. V for van. Sky blue color. Sky blue color. W for watch. W for watch. Purple color. Purple color. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Red color. Red color. Y for yak. Y for yak. Pink color. Pink color. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Thank you for watching, kids. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching Babu Shona. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.